guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with another hair video. Today's wig is from Asteria hair and I'm working with their water wave wig today, as you guys can see. So I've already gone ahead to bleach the knots, and I kind of feel like maybe I over bleached a little bit, but we'll fix it. So this is the HD 5x5 water wave wig. I'm so happy this is a 5x5 closure wig, and the fact that it's HD lace, you guys already know this is about to be a meltdown. It's about to be a meltdown because HD lace is just the way to go. It makes your life so much easier. So this is the hair in its natural state. So now I think I'm gonna go, I don't know if I should go for a middle parting or a side parting today. I don't know if you guys can see what I mean by over bleaching the knots. This is definitely over bleached, but I'll fix that. Yeah, I don't know if I should go, no, okay, it's definitely a middle parting. Also, just to let you guys know, I've got my hot comb on at the moment, so you know it can get hot whilst I'm prepping my hair. I can tell this is some good hair because the knots bleached so quickly. I only left the bleach on for like a good 15 to 20 minutes, I think. And guys, look, literally, so I used a 40 volume developer and some powder bleach. That's what I did. So the hair feels extremely soft and fluffy as well, by the way, guys. And it came pre-plucked, as you guys can see, so it does have a natural hairline, so I don't really have to go in and, you know, pluck anything. This is literally me installing the wig straight from the box. This is so, oh guys, the hair is so nice.
Make your body say hey, whoa, whoa. Come over here, come and ginger me, yes. Oh yeah, heat it up for me, yes. Cause I know you got the recipe, yeah. Nobody gonna do the things that you do. Come and take this ride. Be my chauffeur, be my chauffeur. You know today we will talk too much. Actions speak louder than words. Make your body say hey. I got the candles lit and petals on the floor. If you think you're dreaming, baby, you will dream some more. Dreaming, girl. I'll ride for you. I'll never, baby. Give it all to you. Give it all to me. All to you. It's your body too hot. Can I get the touch? Yeah. It's your body too hot. Can I get the touch? Yeah. Can I get the touch?
Oh yeah. Can I roll with you, girl?
Said he want to roll with me, yeah. Baby, can you go with me?
Okay, so now I just need to wet this hair. You guys can see how nice this hair is. Oh, this is so nice. I even like how big it is right now, but I'm obviously going to define the curls a bit more. But this hair is so soft as well, and it's really fluffy. So I'm gonna go wet the hair and then I'll come back, and then obviously, you know, so this is what it looks like. Even when it's wet, it's still really nice as well. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some Cantu curling cream. So this is gonna help to, you know, define the curls and also stop it from being frizzy. So you guys can see what the hair looks like. So now I'm gonna go in with a paddle brush like this, and I'm just gonna use this to brush the hair and also define the curls a bit more. Guys, this hair is so lush. So I'm just gonna wait for this to dry, and then I'm gonna come back to show you guys the finished look. Okay, so to fix the knots now, I'm just gonna put my rat tail comb right in the middle of the wig, and then I'm gonna go in with some black eyeshadow and just, you know, fix the part that I feel like is over bleached. Okay, so this is what the hair looks like when it is dry. It's not even fully dried yet, but you guys can see how it looks. This hair is so paying. This is so lush. So this is what the hair, I really want to wait for the hair to dry so you guys can see what it looks like properly, but I'm so tired. But this is so nice, guys. And the thing is, the hair is not frizzy. That's how you know you've got some good curly or wavy hair. You know, as long as it's not frizzy, you're good. Okay, you're good. Especially in the hot weather as well. Like, you don't want to be having your hair looking all frizzy and stuff. So this wig is amazing. I'm not even joking, guys. Like, I'm in love. I'm in love with this hair. The hair is so soft. I just need to wait for the hair to dry a bit more so I can obviously take some pictures for you guys and, you know, do my outro and my intro. But away from that, I am happy with this. So the density of the wig is 180, which is like perfect. You don't want it any bigger than that because you guys know wavy hair obviously gets bigger as time goes on. So, and the length of the hair is 24 inches. So it's literally like, this is literally where the hair is up to on me. And then if I turn around, so yeah, you guys let me know what you think of this hair down below in the comment section. I think this is so pretty. And when it comes to the lace as well, this is the HD lace, like I said, and it's so nice. Like, it's literally melted into my skin. So obviously I used the olive oil grip gel to install the wig today. You can actually do a glueless install with this wig because it's a 5x5 closure wig, so you don't have to glue it down, but because it's a closure, it's quite easy. You know, it's quite easy to glue down. So I'm going to make sure to leave all the links that you guys need down below in the description box. So please make sure you check the description box, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.